Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest products to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're reviewing the best casino card holder, the plusvivo card holders for playing cards. If you love card games like Uno, Canasta, Bridge, or Hand and Foot, or if you're looking for a convenient way to hold your cards during a long gaming session, this product might just be the game changer you need. First, let's talk about the build quality. The plusvivo card holders are made from premium pine wood, making them both sturdy and stylish. The material not only ensures durability but also gives the holders a smooth finish, with every edge finely sanded to prevent any rough surfaces from damaging your cards. The sleek, polished design ensures that your cards remain in pristine condition as you enjoy your favorite games. One of the standout features of this card holder is its unique slanted slot design. Unlike typical vertical slots, plusvivo's holders use an ascending height layout for the slots, which means you can easily view all your cards at once. Whether you're playing with a small group of friends or during a competitive family night, this feature is a total game changer. Plus, with a capacity to hold up to 50 cards, you'll have plenty of space for all your game pieces without feeling cramped. The design is not just about looks. It's built with comfort in mind. The plusvivo card holder is perfect for people with limited hand strength, including seniors and those dealing with conditions like arthritis or carpal tunnel. The sturdy design lets you enjoy card games without worrying about your hands cramping up or your cards slipping. If you've ever struggled to keep your cards in place for an extended period, this product is the relief you've been looking for. Another thoughtful detail is the non-slip felt that covers the bottom of the holders. This small addition prevents any sliding on your table, ensuring your game stays organized and your cards don't spill everywhere. Whether you're playing indoors or on a wooden table, the felt bottom will protect both your cards and your furniture. What's more, this set comes with 2 card holders, so whether you're playing a 2-player game or a more competitive multiplayer session, everyone can have their own holder, keeping the game smooth and fun. The dimensions of the holders, 9.84 by 3.15 by 2.25 inches, ensure that they are the perfect size for most standard cards, without being too bulky. Finally, the plusvivo card holders are not just functional but also aesthetically pleasing. The natural wood grain finish adds a touch of elegance to your game setup, so you won't just be playing cards, you'll be doing so in style. Whether it's for a family game night, a casual get-together, or a poker night with friends, these card holders will make the experience more comfortable and enjoyable for everyone. In conclusion, the plusvivo wooden card holders are the perfect addition to any card enthusiast's collection. With their sturdy pine construction, slanted slots for easy card viewing, and ergonomic design, they truly offer everything you need for a seamless, enjoyable card playing experience. If you're looking for a reliable, high-quality card holder that makes playing your favorite games even more fun, the plusvivo card holders should be at the top of your list. That's it for today's review. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. Thanks for watching Product Critique.